Professor Jayashankar, the Telangana ideologist. Kottapalli Jayashankar began the struggle for separate Telangana since his student life in 1952. He was born on 6th August 1934 in Akkampet village, Atmakur Mandal, Warangal Rural District. His parents were Mahalakshmi and Lakshmi Nath Rao. He completed his schooling from Government Markaz High School, Hanmakunda, intermediate and graduation in Warangal. He was graduated in MA Economics from Banaras Hindu University and was awarded PhD from Osmania University. He began his career as a teacher and later worked as the principal of the Chanda Kantaya Memorial College, CKM College in Warangal, Registrar of Kakatiya University and Central Institute of English and Foreign Languages, at present IFLU, and Vice Chancellor of Kakatiya University. Being a staunch supporter of separate Telangana, Professor Jayashankar participated in many movements. In 1952, States Reorganization Commission headed by Mr. Fazal Ali visited Hyderabad to take public opinion regarding state reorganization. Professor Jayashankar was a prominent amongst the students' organization who presented the report to the commission. After studying the report, the commission questioned, "Can Telangana sustain a separate state?" For this question, he daringly replied, "As a student leader, we would beg to survive rather than being with Andhra people." His effort to strengthen Telangana movement in 1969 is praiseworthy. He spread the ideology that due the Andhra domination, Telangana people face disparity not only in educational, employment and cultural fields but also in other fields. He was the ideologist for the next phase of Telangana movement that stated in 1996. He highlighted the disparity faced by the Telangana people with statistics through mass media. He wished that Telangana agitation should go on 3 phases. In that, the first was the spread of Telangana ideology, the second was movements and agitations in different forms, and the last one was political process. His effort was tremendous to spread the ideology till the achievement of Telangana. Inspired by his ideology, students' unions, guilds, political parties, and joint action committees protested vehemently. Thus, the Telangana movement gained momentum. As desired, Telangana state was formed on 2nd June 2014. He authentically announced, "I witnessed the formation of Telangana." Unfortunately, before he could realize his dream of forming separate Telangana due to his illness, he passed away on 21st June 2011. In memory of Professor Jayashankar, the Telangana state government renamed Agriculture University in Telangana as Professor Jayashankar Agriculture University and named one of the newly formed districts in Telangana as Jayashankar District.